Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, please subscribe and tap that bell for more videos.
Build your life, do it yourself.
Hey everyone, so today I am doing a belated review of HelloFresh. If you haven't seen my previous video on my HelloFresh unboxing, I will put that somewhere in my video. So I'm going to go ahead and review it now. So when I ordered HelloFresh, they had, I think it's like 90% off, and then they also gave me a healthcare discount because I'm a healthcare worker. So my first box I got, I think it was 3 meals, and then I got 2 servings of each meal, and I believe that box was like $22 including shipping, so that was a really good deal. So I was going to order another box, and then but the next one I was trying to order, it was I believe it was like $40 or $50 just for about the same amount or even less, so I decided not to do it. I might do it later on, but it's not really a necessity for me to use HelloFresh, so I didn't want to spend that when it's not necessary. The first time I ordered it, it was a much better deal. So I'll just kind of briefly, I have my papers here still. The one option I had was sun-dried tomato spaghetti. Here's just the pictures. They come with these these recipe cards, I guess, and tells you everything is in it and how to cook it and all of that. Sun-dried tomato spaghetti with fresh herbs, almonds, and Parmesan. This is actually my least favorite meal, even though I do love pasta, but it was just very bland to me. I didn't think it was terrible. I mean, it was good, but I just felt like it was bland, so I added some more stuff myself. So there's that. It was okay. So the next one I had was the Middle Eastern chickpea bowls with pistachio rice and garlicky white sauce. This was my favorite. It was really good. I really love rice, and it was kind of like Indian food type of seasoning. So this was 10 minutes prep, cook 40 minutes, and it was 750 calories. So that's one of the things that I didn't like, was that the calories in these were a little bit higher than I would have liked. So the chickpea bowls are 750 calories per serving, and the spaghetti was 680 per serving. It was a little bit higher than I would have liked, but they do have the low calorie options, but I didn't see that online. I just picked the vegetarian one, so I guess you can't do low calorie and vegetarian, or maybe I should have just picked one when I was picking my options, maybe one that was lower calorie, but these just look good, so I just picked them. So yeah, this was my favorite tasting. These are cheesy black bean tacos. The next one, also I'll insert my pictures later that I took from when I actually made them myself. These were the highest calories. It was, so you get 3 tacos in your serving. It's 840 calories. The prep is 3 minutes and the cook is 15. I really don't think that's true. I think it took longer to prep than 3 minutes. And something in the spice packet, there was, I don't know what it was. So there's a Tex-Mex paste, a Southwest spice blend, and I don't know if this would be, but it has the cream is smoky red pepper. Oh, and a poblano pepper. Something in there really was burning my lips. I don't know what it was, but one of the ingredients was really bothering me and burning my lips. But I ate them all because it was really good. But something in there was burning my lips for some reason. It was like a weird reaction, because even when I normally eat spicy stuff, I don't normally have my lips burning like that. So I don't know what that was, but they were good. I posted a picture on Instagram and everyone said they looked really good, and I thought they were as well. So as far as an overall review, I feel like I think the recipes were all good. Like I said, the pasta was okay, but everything else is really good. It's nice because they give you all the ingredients ahead of time. You know, you get your lemon, they have everything perfectly portioned out for your meals, which is good. So I did like that. The food was good, like I said. Yeah, I liked how they packaged it when they delivered it on the porch. It was like in a big like cooler type of thing. They have more earth friendly packaging, and some of it's recycled packaging that they use, which is good. For me, I thought it was more labor intensive than I would have wanted. For some reason, I guess maybe I was thinking that some of the things would be like pre-chopped or something like that, but it's just more than I would typically put into the meals. And for me, I shouldn't have ordered 3 at once because some of my tomatoes went bad for the pasta because I work nights, so these are dinners for me. So I work, 3 or 4 nights a week, and I really didn't have time to make all of these in 1 week before some of the vegetables went bad. So that might be something you might want to think about as well. And like I said, it's just a little bit more chopping and cutting and lemon zesting and stuff than I normally do myself, honestly. So it wasn't as convenient as I was thinking. It was nice they delivered it to my door. Everything was portioned out, but I can do that at the grocery store. So for me, it's probably not something that I will continue to do. Maybe just every once in a while just to try it, but it's not any kind of necessity for me personally, and it really didn't make anything more convenient for me. If you're somebody who really doesn't have time to go to the grocery store, or maybe you live alone, or you don't have children, where it doesn't matter that it takes you a while in the kitchen to make things, maybe it's a little bit different. But for me, it was just fun to try, and the food was really good, and that's about it. Especially with the price being going up, and I think that's even on discount. So I think it was about $40 for the same that I had the next time around. So the original price for 6 meals is probably pretty high. I would say maybe like, I don't know, I'm just guessing, maybe $50 or so, which is a lot for me. So anyway, the food was good. It was really nice that they had everything prepackaged, all of that, but it just wasn't really for me. Let me know below if you have tried HelloFresh yourself and what you thought. So thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe. Check out all my links below, and I'll talk to you guys soon. Bye. Take care.